everybody, welcome back to Dodgers Explicit. We're here at game 1 of the World Series in Toronto. If you guys are watching this video, y'all better subscribe to my guy Marcus too. Like the video, all that good stuff.
For sure, and subscribe to you can shout out your channel.
Hey, subscribe to Dodgers Explicit. I know you guys are like, why would I subscribe to a Dodgers page? We got cool baseball videos in general on there. We're gonna expand. This video is gonna be a banger.
LA Dodgers?
Yeah, Dodgers,
come on,
brother.
man. Take that off, man.
This
Take
is the stuff, bro.
Dodgers, eh? Okay.
It's Otani.
Don't worry, bro.
My.
Everybody's welcome, okay? I just
you,
hope the
bro.
Blue
Thank
Jays
you.
wins, that's all.
Hey, I hope it's a good series, bro.
What's your name, bro?
Daniel, brother.
Daniel?
What's your name?
My name is Marcus.
Marcus.
Pleasure to meet you, Daniel.
Nice
What's
to
your
meet
name?
you, bro.
Ellie?
Lily.
Lily? It's a pleasure to meet you, Lily. Where you guys from?
LA.
LA?
LA. So
Okay.
we flew down for game 1 and 2.
Oh, okay. So I hope the Blue Jays win, okay?
Oh,
They have
brother.
We deserve it, man.
Nah, it's gonna
We
be a good
deserve it.
game,
You
but
guys are lucky to be here.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy your time, okay?
You too, bro.
Yeah, take care, brother.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you too. I see people wearing their LA Dodgers. They came from the States, from LA, and they're coming to Toronto. That's crazy. That's what I like, you know. It's been 32 years since the Blue Jays been in the World Series. So I think it's a little bit good for the economy or whatever, but it's nice to see that people, like tourists from LA, is coming into Toronto. And yeah, I just hope we win. It's good to meet Blue Jays fans. What's your name, brother?
Riley.
Riley. It's a pleasure to meet you, Riley. And your name?
And Kyle.
Kyle. Riley and Kyle. My name is Marcus.
The city's been buzzing for the last couple days after the Game 7 alone. Like, Toronto's gonna explode. Just like the positivity, everyone's jazzed. You're saying hi to each other. It's bringing that community back. So I think that's a big thing for the community in Toronto.
I feel like the city has been searching for a win since COVID, really.
Yeah.
Like, we're slowly coming back to life, but I think this would just be a powder keg and just a huge win, not just for the boys, but for the city.
What are you gonna do if Toronto wins the championship?
I
That's a
be
good-
shirtless, up and down King,
Naked.
up and down Blue Jays. You'll see me. I apologize in advance.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Likewise, yeah. I'm gonna have to make sure nothing gets back to work, but I'm gonna be losing my mind. We're gonna be out here. I was down King Street, up and down on Game 7, high-fiving everyone. I expect to be the same way.
Okay, that's good. One more question. This is the last question. If you could say one message directly to the Blue Jays, what would it be?
Keep doing what you're doing. We love you. I've never been this fired up, and I can tell they are too. So no, don't change anything. Just keep being the squad and keep being with each other and for each other.
Thank you so much, brother.
Yep.
And you too?
You got 40 million people behind you. You know that. I know it powers you, it fuels you. You have been making all the right moves, all the right steps. You're in the space. Get the dub.
Because it's been 32 years since the Blue Jays been in the World Series.
Yeah.
So, man, we have to win. We deserve it, you know?
Yep.
Deserve.
The economy is so messed up right now. We need this win
It's
so bad.
brutal.
It would bring in so many people around the world, the tourism, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Everybody would be even more like open, more kind, more friendly.
That's what we need.
We need it, man.
We're
really
Canadians at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Let's keep the positive vibes going. Keep the friendliness up. Welcome people to the city.
Yes.
Spend that money here. We love it, and let's keep it going. But yeah, overall, just let's go Jays.
Thank you so much, guys. Go Jays, go.
Go
Jays, go. Thank you so much, guys. Have
Thanks,
a good
Marcus.
one.
Nice to meet you.
Dodgers Explicit.
Let's go, baby.
Explicit, okay.
We're in the cut.
So, are you from Toronto or are you from LA?
No, I flew in from LA.
You flew in from LA. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Today, right?
So I flew in yesterday. So I did the craziest thing, right?
Yeah.
Flew from LA to Vegas to Buffalo and then taxied here.
Oh my goodness.
Taxied to the Canada border, then Ubered to Toronto. That's how dedicated I am.
Oh, bro.
Gotta be here.
That's a good one, man. I
Gotta be here,
appreciate
bro.
it, you know?
Gotta be here, bro.
So what do you think about Toronto so far and the energy, the people?
It's good. So I know they don't like to be compared to New York. I went to New York last year and New York was a lot more hostile, as in mean.
Okay.
I get it, we're going against each other, but they were like cussing us out, you know, stuff like that.
Yeah.
I'm a good guy. I say what's up, you know, good luck. If we're gonna, you know, talk shit, I'll talk a little, or sorry, am I allowed to cuss?
Yeah, you can cuss if you want. Yeah.
I don't wanna, you know, if you wanna talk crap, we can talk crap. But if not, you know, I'm gonna be a nice guy and say good luck. But I mean, Toronto's got a good team. They got great people. I mean, I know this city deserves another shot at a championship.
Yes.
Because I remember, what was that, 2019 Raptors, right?
Yeah, yeah.
2019 Raptors.
Championship.
Yes, I remember the energy in that city then, and seeing the videos was great. One thing I didn't like was after you guys beat Seattle Mariners, I saw the "fuck the Dodgers" chants.
Oh, really?
I saw a video, we reposted it saying, yeah, Blue Jays fans chanting "fuck the Dodgers." Karma's gonna get you guys. You'll
man.
see.
Dodgers are going down, bro.
You'll see,
Don't
bro.
worry. We're
You'll
gonna
see.
win. We're
It's
gonna
be
win.
great. What's your score prediction, bro?
I don't know much about baseball. I just came here, bro.
Okay.
I don't know. I think we might beat them by like, hopefully 5 points. I don't know much about baseball.
It's all right. It's good. It's good. I've met people that are very nice to me, and I've never met them in my life. This is my first time in Toronto ever.
Okay.
So just, you know, getting greeted by people, you know, regulars, just being nice. So I just really appreciate that. I know there's great people in the world. There's a lot of negativity going on right now, but Toronto's definitely been very in a positive
Open,
manner.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. I appreciate that. Okay, if the Blue Jays win, what do you think will be the most impactful thing to happen in Canada, specifically Toronto? I shouldn't be asking you these questions because you're from LA, but
So ask me that one more time.
okay, if the Blue Jays win, what do you think will be the most impactful thing to happen in Canada, specifically Toronto? Like, will this would boost the economy? Would it bring more tourism, like tourists here? Would it make people more open, more friendly?
So I think sports, I'm not sure how the world is here. It's a lot different from the US as far as like the economy and stuff like that. But when we won the championship last year, LA was really brought together. You know, the parade was very fun. There was 200,000 people at the parade. And I believe it was more, honestly. So I think having that in Toronto would be nice.
Yeah.
You know, just like I said, bringing the people together, because sports is somewhere where we can kind of get away from reality, like, you know, job struggles or just family struggles, and it brings you together as one.
It unites everybody, basically. Yeah.
Exactly.
It unites people and it divides people as well.
It does.
People
but
are crying because
yeah.
it's so like emotional.
Crying in a positive and negative manner.
Yeah, tears of joy, you know.
Yes,
yeah, tears of
absolutely,
joy, yeah.
absolutely.
If you could say one message directly to the LA Dodgers, what would it be?
If I could send one message to the LA Dodgers,
Yeah.
I think I'll speak for what Blue Jays fans want to say to the Blue Jays, and it's just stay focused on the goal. The goal is to win the World Series. Each team is 4 wins away.
Yeah.
Who can win 4 out of the next 7? And the city's gonna change forever. I mean, the Blue Jays, I know they haven't won since 1993.
93, yes.
Exactly, so that's gonna bring the city together crazy. The Dodgers are trying to go back-to-back for the first time since 2000. So I would say just stay focused on the goal.
I hope we win, man. We deserve it, Blue Jays.
Hey,
you know.
hey,
But
good luck, bro.
Every man win. Every man
Hey,
for
good
themselves.
luck, bro.
You know,
What's your
good
name?
luck. My name is Marcus. What's your name,
Marcus,
brother?
I'm Josh. Nice to meet
It's
you,
a
bro.
pleasure to meet you, Josh, man.
Yes,
You're
sir.
a good. You seem like a good man.
I
Good-hearted
appreciate
person.
you, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, I know you guys aren't Dodger fans, but you guys can check out me and my homies page, Dodgers Explicit. We do a lot of cool baseball content, not just strictly Dodgers. It'll be a good look for you guys.
Okay, yeah, for sure, man.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you so much.
You got-
Did you get tickets? You got tickets for the game, right?
Yeah.
Enjoy the game, brother.
Thank you, bro.
okay?
Thank
God
you.
bless.
You
How
got-
much was the tickets? How much did it cost?
So the tickets that I got were, I think, around like 1,400.
1,400?
Yeah.
Oh, I heard tickets going for like 7,000. So
Yeah,
that's crazy.
so when they first came out, like
Yeah.
on the Blue Jays website, but then people resell them and they get a little cheaper.
Yeah. Some people like to scalp, right?
Yeah.
They buy tickets for cheaper and they sell them for like 3-4 times more than the original price.
I don't like those people, but
No,
hey,
man, those
it is what
people
it
are
is.
scum.
Yeah, I
don't
know.
like that.
They're in LA too. Don't worry.
Yeah, everywhere around the world. All right, brother. Thank you
You
so
got
much.
like a YouTube or something?
Yeah, my YouTube. If you would like to search it up,
got
I would
you, bro.
appreciate that so
I
much.
got you, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Trust me, bro. I know how it is.
It's cool to meet somebody else from another country, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
My YouTube, you want me to search it up
Yeah,
for you?
you're good. Do what you gotta do, bro.
Could you hold my phone, please?
Yeah.
All right. You hold my camera?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Thank you.
What's up, guys?
You can talk to the
What's good? I'll do our intro.
Yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Dodgers Explicit. We're here at Game 1 of the World Series in Toronto, while my boy Marcus looks up the YouTube channel and subscribes.
Thank you so
Hey,
much.
if you guys are watching this video, y'all better subscribe to my guy Marcus too. Like the video, all that good stuff.
For sure. And subscribe to you can shout out your
Hey,
channel. too.
subscribe to Dodgers Explicit. I know you guys are like, why would I subscribe to a Dodgers page? We got cool baseball videos in general on there. We're gonna expand. This video is gonna be a banger.
Yeah. Thank you so much, brother.
Yes,
you can
sir.
search up your name for me?
I love seeing brave souls.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Yeah.
There you go,
Subscribe and you can turn on all the notifications.
Thank you, bro.
I would like to see your content, man.
Yes,
It's my
thank you, bro.
pleasure.
Thank you. Appreciate it, bro.
It's an honor, bro.
Yes, bro. Have a great day.
it's Alejandro.
Alejandro? It's a pleasure to meet you, Alejandro. My name is Marcus. I would just like to ask you two questions, one or two questions, a few questions. What do you think makes Toronto fans different from other baseball fans?
I mean, as you can see here, there's like maybe a lot of people from all over the country, and I think that's the only difference between other teams in the U.S. And like this brings Canada together, like
It unites us, right?
Yeah, it unites us all, and that's why I have the Canadian flag right here. Like,
oh, wow, beautiful! I love this flag so much, man. Keep it up, nice and high, and you know that's a strong flag. Oh, Canada! Yes, okay.
And
bro.
also to show Donald Trump, don't mess with the Canadians.
Don't mess with the Canadians. Yes, I like that. If the Blue Jays win, what do you think will be the most impactful thing to happen in Canada, specifically Toronto?
I mean, you can kind of hear right now, like people are cheering because there's like a newscaster in there doing the news. So for Toronto, it's like being recognized again, like being recognized one of the baseball teams in the MLB and also obviously in the world. And I also saw a post on Instagram. If you have never seen it, I've seen a map of the U.S. Like almost the entire U.S. are cheering for our Blue Jays, except the Dodgers in California.
Absolutely, man. That's so good that even people from America, the other states other than the Dodgers, are cheering for Canadians, you know? That's so beautiful. It's been 32 years
Yeah,
since we've been
32 years. I was not born.
How old are you if you
I'm
don't mind?
24.
24? Oh, you're still a young guy, eh? That's good, that's good. Is this your first game you've been to, or you've been to other games?
I've been like walking around. Well, my first game was like 2 years ago during the regular season. When I was in there experiencing like home runs, chants, and also the atmosphere in there. It was like an open dome day. I was hearing like on TV, I hear like the noise of this audience. And if you don't mind, you can like follow me. And I can
for
show
sure.
You,
Yeah,
I can show you these fans.
Okay.
How they are.
You think they'll like to be on camera?
Yeah, they can like, guys, want to get a vlog?
They don't want to be on camera. Don't be camera shy, man.
Let's go Blue Jays!
Let's go Blue Jays!
Let's go Blue Jays!
Let's go Blue Jays! You guys need good energy, man. But I appreciate it, you know?
I tried.
Yeah, you tried. You're good person, man. I appreciate you. Okay, if you could say one message directly to the team, what would it be?
Don't choke on elimination games and try to make Canada proud and obviously make Toronto proud.
Thank you so much. What's your name, bro?
Alan.
Alan? It's a pleasure to meet you, Alan. And your name?
Alexander.
Alexander. Alan and Alexander. My name is Marcus. It's a pleasure to meet you, bro. Pleasure to meet you. What do you think makes LA Dodgers fans different from any other baseball fans?
It's the passion.
Passion?
Passion of the fans.
Okay. What do you like about Toronto so far? Because you've been here for how long?
We got here yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about the people, the energy?
Oh, the people are nice. They're kind. They're nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
civilized.
You know about the Drake and Kendrick Lamar beef?
Uh-huh.
Do you think this is gonna reignite the flames again, the beef, or not? Really?
No, I don't think so.
No?
I don't think so.
Okay. If you could say one message directly to the team, LA Dodgers, what would it be?
Keep playing hard. The fans are rooting for you guys, and hopefully we go back to back.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You take care.
Each fan must present.
Let's go Blue Jays. Thank you so much.
Let's go Blue Jays! Let's go!
What do you think makes Toronto fans different from any other baseball fans?
I think it's been a long time. It's been a long time for them, so that's the moment. Right here, right now, tonight.
Okay, one more question.
Yeah.
If you could say one message directly to the team, what would it be?
It would be What it would be?
Beginning.
No, it would be that's the moment.
Yeah, Savage?
I'm a savage. Right now tonight.
Go Jays go, right?
Yeah.
Go Jays go. What's your name, bro?
Frankie.
Frankie?
Yeah,
Pleasure to meet you, Frankie.
And Patty.
Patty, right?
Yeah, buddy.
Pleasure to meet you. Enjoy the game, okay? God bless. Blue Jays. Happy birthday, what's your name?
Thank you. Hail.
Go Jays go.
Go Jay, go.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Leo. Enjoy your birthday, okay? What's your name? Mateo. Mateo. Have a good day, okay? Right, go Jays go. Go Jays go. Oh, what's your name, bro?
Santiago.
Santiago.
Yeah. I mean, we only have one team to support, right? So
Yeah.
it's just the whole country behind one team. Compared to these teams, they have, you know, some teams have a few teams in one state. And, you know, we have a whole country behind our fan base.
If you could describe Toronto in one word tonight, what would it be?
Electric. The city's live. Vibes are high. Just excitement.
Nice. Okay, if the Blue Jays win, what do you think will be the most impactful thing to happen in Canada, specifically Toronto?
I think this team can inspire a lot of young ball players, you know, to play baseball. And I just think that's the biggest thing this team can do, you know? Like, this team doesn't have the superstar power compared to the Dodgers or any other teams, but they fight and they play like a hard-nosed style of baseball, and I just think that's inspiring.
If you could say one message directly to the team, what would it be?
This country has your back, and just go get them. Keep doing what we've been doing all year, and I have faith that you guys will pull through.
Go Jays go.
Go Jays go.
All right, thank you, Santiago. Have a nice time, okay?
You as well.
You bought tickets, right?
Yeah. My fucking friend's sleep. Sorry, I should.
Oh my, it's okay, it's okay.
He's sleeping.
Oh my
And
goodness.
it's like I want to get in the stadium, but I gotta wait for him.
Yo, he's telling to wake up, man.
I know.
Yeah. All right, brother. Take care,
Yeah,
okay?
you as well.
Yeah, thank you. So that concludes the video. I just thought I can go out to the Rogers Center, talk to some people on camera, you know, interview people. It was good. I had good energy, good vibes. I was surprised people were coming from LA to come to Toronto just to look at the game. It was amazing. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm about to go home right now. Right now I'm currently in the Eaton Center. So it's getting dark. I never ate all day. I'm hungry, I'm tired. Thank you for watching.